Annyeonghaseyo.
Ano yung sayo?
Nako karon diri sa kuan ko is na sa Win Radio. Ing inini. Pusa karon. Okay lang mag ano diri sa gabas? Tanawa okay, kuan kay lawa kay ang ano kay lawa kaayo. Kauban ako ang the best partner sa Star FM. Lain kundi si Barikuson Lily Gaya og si Sir Dino. Hi. Welcome diri sa Win Radio. Ing inini. Ano sabi ko sa inyo nakaduaw na jud ko kay basig masuko na ni ako ang partner din ni managad na ako. Nana ko diri karon mga igala. Ing in pag-greet na mo shout out na sa mga Chirilin pa wash out nga na shout out Win Radio oh. Ako diri karon sa ilang istasyon kay nag-guess ko nga ni kay mamaligya kog tambal. Mamaligya ko nga tambal dara akong baligyaan oh si Madam. Dara oo. Di basta-basta ni.
Marilog. Uy, ano?
Naibungot. Naibungot. Naibungot dara. Dara sir. Natay bungot sir, natay bungot. Nami po dali diri. Dali. Naibungot. Naibungot. Bagay sa may bungot bar. Ma'am. Ing inini. I just wanted to tell you that we are we are currently right here at Win Radio. Shout out Anil Sampong. Ing inini pusa karon. Dagang tao ron oh.
Pili ko pala, buti na akong bungot.
Mo kini ang akong kauban diri. I just wanted to tell you that we are right here. This is the Win Radio. Yes. To all of my friends who are watching in our video right now, I just wanted to tell you that I'm currently having guesting here. I'm so live right now at 107.5 Win Radio and my friends are watching me right now. Dali kinatan.
Radio.
Dali pagbungot lang. Dala. Watching from Cavite.
Ay, manawagan mi dira sa ano, taga Marilog. Taga Lakog Janila. Dai kayo paldo diri siyo daw.
Init kain palto. Shout out guys.
Puti kag ilok ay.
Puti kay ilok ba? Puti oh. Puti kayo. Shout out puti sa imong ngipon oy. Ngipon din ang puti. Ayan, watching from Kuwait. Hello po sa mga taga Kuwait. I really love your Indian accent because you are legit Indian.
Mamili ka, stick or ballpen?
What do you like, stick or ballpen? We have here a stick for only 500 pesos. This stick is very important. You can use it for someone as you can use it. This one is just this is you can use it for what for self defense. If there's someone who wants to kill you, then you have this terungan for 150. Oh yeah, there's a lot of viewers and say that we're guesting for Win Radio. Yeah, and then we're selling the ball pen. How much is the ball pen? Ball pen for only 150 only, and we can use it for not just for writing. Not just for writing, but of course and I'm selling also here. This is what we called for only 600 pesos. If you want to have this 600 pesos only, I'm selling it to you from Butuan. Or do you want it? Watching from Jupiter? Oh my god. I just want to tell you that I'm so very happy right now because I'm videoing from Win Radio. Ing inini. Ing inini. Nasabi ko sa'yo, nandito ako sa Win Radio ngayon. Video ako nganhi kay giduaw na ko si Liligaya. Oh my god, there's a lot of people watching. How much interest if borrow money? If you want to borrow money, I'm telling you, the interest is 2% only. And if you wanted to have borrow a lot more, then that is definitely for my day-to-day collectibles. You need to pay for about 20%. 20% for that. So if you are borrowing me for 60,000, then I'll give you have to pay me advance. That is what we called 60, 70, 80,000. 80,000. Oh yeah, that's true, I'm telling you. A shout out from Negros Occidental in
Shout out si Bandol Cruz.
I just want to shout out Bandolp. Oh, you're watching Bandolp? Where's Bandolp? Oh my god, Bandolp. I am selling right now. This is my partner. We're going live because we're selling the what we call the station now. We're selling. The station is only 1,500. That is one Wine Radio. Oh my god, Wine Radio. This is our garden. I'm selling my garden. Did you see that? There's a lot of flower. Our garden is only 1.5 only. If you are watching right now, Bet. Oh my god, Bet from South Korea. Thank you very much for watching. Oh my god, Lloyd, thank you for watching. Oh my god, do you ad-lib now? You will ad-lib now? We're inviting everyone to listen to Win Radio because we will have a guesting. We will be guesting for Win Radio right now. Win Radio in Oh yes, so this is the Win Radio place, and shout out from Parab Cebu. Thank you for watching. Oh my god, this is what we call this one. I'm selling it. This is what we call coconut. Coconut is only 150, of course. Coconut. If you want to have it now, say mine for the coconut. And we have a dog. The dog is 150 also. Just say mine for the dog. Oh my god, my brother Ronald Baltolore is watching right now from UAE, Dubai, from Pasay GT, and Snab Mayram Nice. Oh my god, Snab Kape. Oh my god, I don't know that. Oh yeah, PP Choi, thank you for watching in my video, and Jindin Gaile, thank you for watching. So now this is the Win Radio. I'm already here in Win Radio because I'm having guesting because we will be have an online business. Our online business we're selling something for our online business. I'm selling this girl for only 1.5 also. You want this? Very sexy, very affordable, very sexy. Very sexy, but yes, bungot. Oh my god. For me yun PM followers Abuela, thank you very much. Aknor tutur for watching. How much is the coconut tree or this one? Okay, 150, and I will giving it to you for 160. Free delivery house to house. Mine dog 150. Glenda, you want the dog? Toy the dog, and I also have a cat. I have a cat. Aside from the dog, I'm selling a cat. So we're going to the cat. Oh my god. Hi, how are you, the cat? This cat is only 160 pesos only. Hi cat. 160 for the cat, and then if you want free delivery, that just saying it. Just say mine for the cat. This is the cat. Hi, the cat. Oh my god, the cat is moving over. That cat is 150 only, and if you want to have it, just say mine for the cat, because the dog is already sold. The dog is already sold, I'm telling you. The dog is already sold for 150. I'm selling it. And Nasilario, thank you very much. And Armand Iscaso and Abuela. How much? No, I'm not selling myself. I'm not like that. I'm not like that. Are you telling me that I'm like that? I'm not selling myself. Oh my god, why are you thinking that I'm selling myself? I'm only selling this land. I'm here because I'm selling not myself but my land. My land and the trees. The trees that you have right now at my back, I'm selling it to you. Oh my god, I have a visitor. Hello. My visitor are already. I have one visitor. Say hi to my friends. Hello, visitor. I'm selling it. How much is this? Is my my beautiful figurine. This is a moving figurine. Oh, that is battery figurine. Do you see the figurine is moving? That is from China. My God, that figurine is very affordable. For only 1.5 only, pre-delivery, delivery charge, no Shopee, no Lazada, but door to door. Oh my God, that you see that? That's figurine, the figurine. Oh, mine for that. Okay, okay, just say mine because I am telling you that after that we will negotiate each other and then have the figurine. That's the figurine, you see. That's the figurine. Oh my God, the figurine is moving and it's free battery because the figurine is moving perfect for parties. And if you have no someone else in your lap, in your side, you can have the figurine moving. Yeah. wala pagsalayo. My moving figurine, come on, I'm selling it. Oh, say mine, everyone. The moving figurine right now. This is the moving figurine. And then the moving figurine. How are you? How are you? The moving figurine is 1.5 only. Oh my God, this is robotic. This is robotic figurine. I tell you because this is not true human being. It's a robot. It's a figurine. This figurine is 1.5. Say hi, say hi.
You have to smile.
Say hi to smile to the people because they want to buy you. They thought that you are real, but you're not real. I tell you, this is not a real human being. This is figurine. Our figurine is life-size figurine. Say mine for the figurine right now. Oh my God, there's a lot of viewers. Then they're saying that they want you. Mine for the figurine. Mine. Hello, figurine. Just say hi to them. And yeah, because the figurine is robotic figurine, mind moving. It is very useful because it can clean the house. It can clean the whole house because the figurine is robotic and with what we called this one is not a robot. This is my 5'6" partner. 5'6". Say hello, say. Oh my God, oh yes. Oh my God, this robotic is very useful nowadays because if you are working, then you're leaving the house. I tell you, this robotic is cleaning the house, multitasking, washing the clothes and washing all the utensils, and then of course after that cleaning the whole bathroom. So this robotic figurine is affordable right now here in my place. This is it. Oh God, did you see that? It's moving, the figurine are dancing and just moving around and just playing with my pet. So I tell you, if you wanted it, this is limited edition only. I tell you, this is limited edition. But if you can avail it now, it's buy one take one. The robotic figurine is buy one take one. And after that, you can use it for a lifetime. Lifetime using for the figurine. Okay, Abu Dhabi is listening. Josie, are you minding it now? Okay, just click mine. Oh, that's good. That's good. I tell you, that's very good. Oh my God, Edna Merelis is saying mine. Say mine if you want a figurine. It's moving at the back. At the back is the moving figurine. Yes. How much is it? 1.5 only. I'm telling you that is not prosthetic, not is synthetic, but that is what we call original, organic figurine. Organic. No synthetic figurine. That is robotic because that is moving, or the dog is already here. That dog is robotic dog. Yes, this dog is 1.6 only. How is dog? Mind the dog now, mind the dog. The dog, I tell you, this dog is very important in our house for barking outside because we all know that there's a lot of what we call bad guys. There's a bad guy, so we need a dog. Where's the dog? We need the dog. But the figurine right now, I'm telling you, this is 1.5 limited edition only now. No other faces, same faces of figurine. Yeah. Hi, say hello to them. Say hello to them, figurine. The figurine right now is moving very smart.
Figurine.
Oh wow, oh my god, I never thought the figurine is, oh my god, I never thought the figurine can talk. It's talk, oh my god. What can you see about now? Oh my god, this is perfect because the figurine, I tell you.
Kesha ko.
Oh my god, what the name?
Kesha.
Keisha, oh my god, the name of the figurine is Keisha. The robotic figurine, the robotic dog is already out in the market.
Tessa.
Tessa, Tessa is the name of. Are you hear that? She's shouting you. She's saying that she is not a figurine, but definitely because this robotic. I tell you, robotic. Oh my God! Say hello to them. This is first time in the history of the Philippines that I am selling a robotic, which is eating a candy lollipop. Candy lollipop. Oh my God! Oh my God! They're already here. Very pretty girl. Yeah. Look at that. I will. That's a remote control. You have to remote control it, and it will jump like a robotic figurine. Yeah. Oh my God, very pretty girl. And the other one you see at my back, that's a robotic dog. Robotic children. Okay, okay. Come back. Oh my God. It's moving. Oh my God, it's moving. It's right back here because I'm having a. Wow, did you see this? This is a remote control, transparent remote control. And I have another robotic. Oh my God, there's two robotic. This one is the small robotic and the bigger robotic that you can see. That's only 1.5. That's a staggered payment for us. It's a staggered payment if you want to pay. Oh my God, this robotic, I have two now. I have a boy robotic and that one, I am having a remote control. I'm having a remote control. Did you see that? It's moving. Oh my God, my remote control is very high power electricity. Because of, did you see that? There's another one. Oh my God, there's a 4 robotic and my. Say hi to them. Say hi. There's all of them are not human. It's robot. It's already. I'm here. It's moving because of this remote control. It's remote control. I tell you. Okay, I will click. Oh, it's running because I'm okay. Look at it. Look at this. I will click this. It's moving. Oh my God, it's moving. Oh my God. I told you it's these robotic are very sensitive when it comes to remote control. You see that the dog is robot. There's another robotic dog. Oh my God. Hello to them. Say hello. Oh my God. There I have 2 robotic. Say hi to them. It's only 1.5. I'm telling you, 1.5. This is very cute. Oh, this is very cute robotic. Yeah, I have remote control now. I can play with them. And if you want them to really play on the ground, they will be playing. I tell you. I will tell run now, run. Oh my God, it's running. Oh my God, I tell you. I know it's running. I have remote control. It's coming back to me because it's robotic. I tell you. Oh, run. Oh, run. It's running, my robots are running. Oh my God. Oh, did you see? Oh, coming back. Oh, yeah, coming back. I have this remote. Run. It's running again. Oh my God, they're running. Not too far, my robot, because that's not good. Okay, yeah. Did you see that? I have 2 here. The dog is also robotic. That's a big family of robot. There's a dog robot. There's a paddy robot. And there's one. Oh, come back to me. Wow, it's come back to me. My God, it's true. It's true that the robot has a lot of mindset. There's 2 robotic, and if you want to play with them, I tell you, it's very funny. You don't need to have your own child. You don't need to have someone in your life. Just buy to me limited edition only of robotic children, because there's a problem in our society that someone else don't have a children, but you don't need to have a children because the robotic society is giving us. Oh my God, it's moving. My God, it's here. Oh my God, and this robotic is eating lollipop just like just like human being. Oh my God, oh look at that. Oh, eat more, eat. Oh, run, run, run. Oh my god, did you see that? Oh my god, running too. Oh my god, I have a dog, robotic children. Oh yeah, I can see that. Percent of the battery, no. Oh my god, oh, it's coming back to me. The percent of the battery is 100% rechargeable. Sunlight only, no need electricity, sunlight only. These robots are very limited edition, so I'm telling you, have to buy it for now. Buy it for now because no, it's staggered only 50-50. If you want me to go in your house. Oh my god, there's another robot. Oh my god, there's two robots. Say hi to them. Say hi, robotic. Oh my god, did you see that? They are really like true robot and true human being, but it's a robot. Oh my god, did you see that? That's very cute. Oh my god, run. Oh, running! It's running! It's running. Do you see it's playing? My god, they're playing like a... Oh, they're playing. Oh yeah, did you see that? I'm telling you, it's all the father. You can also have a father robot. All of them are... What is the battery capacity or the robot? The capacity is 100% just sunlight, solar only. You don't need electricity full time. Just solar. Only solar. Okay? This robot is very not highly maintenance, low maintenance only. Just feed it with lollipop and then charge it with solar. Did you see that? Oh my god. I think that is one main power of the robot. The tongue is pink. The tongue is pink, and the robotic dog is here also. Oh my god, no, I don't have anything in my house, but of course this robotic figurine are moving like a human being because of the high technology that we have right now here in India. Yes, I'm telling you. Yeah, did you see that? Oh my god, did you see that? Oh my god. Say hi to them. Oh yeah. Say something. Hello. Oh yeah, do you see? Oh, the other robot. Hello. Oh my god, they are saying hello to them. Hello. Yeah. So thank you for... If you want it, then just tag me, and then you need to buy this robotic here in Win Radio. It's very affordable right now. Limited stocks only of robotic children. If your parents, if you're someone you love, don't have a child, robotic is perfect for you. Non-battery, non-electricity, solar only, and very organic. Oh my god. Yeah. So now, this is my... I have already my... Oh, these are the... this one, they are my buyer. Yeah, my buyer, they want to have a children. The buyer is getting now the robotic children. That's true. Did you see? Did you see that? Oh my god. Oh. The robotic. The robotic. Oh, it's moving. This is now my buyer. My buyer will be... I will be giving it a buy one take one of robotic children because they are the first basis. First come, first serve basis for the robotic children. If you want to have it right now, just PM me. PM is the key. I tell you, PM is the key. The what we call the robotic children. Yeah, the robot, I'm giving it to them. It's special edition. That's for them. 1,500 only. Okay, now if you want more, then I will be selling a lot of robotic children for you. Especially this is courtesy of Win Radio. Yeah. Yes, thank you very much for watching, and I'm running out of time right now, so I told you this is limited edition of robotic. They're eating like a human, but they're not human, they're robot. Oh, tell you. Oh, there you have it. So there you go. I'm inviting you because we will move down. Oh my god, it's running. I'm going to chase the robot because it's moving without it's moving without remote control. What's happening? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's running. Oh, there's another one. Oh, oh, it's running to. Oh, it's right behind me. No, don't do this to me. Oh, the run. Oh, I can't get it. The remote is stuck. Oh my God, they're running together. No, no run, no run. They're running without remote control. I can't control them. Oh, there's another one. Oh my God, oh my God. I have to run. Oh my God, I can't get it. There's the virus. The angry bird to me. Oh my God, the robot is here. Oh my God. Oh. Okay, stop, robot, stop. Oh my God, the problem of this is that the robot is highly sensitive, that if you don't have a remote control, it's very bloody amazing, because it's moving without remote control. So I tell you, if you buy it now, you should buy a lot, because it's limited edition only. They're running away. My God, oh, you see that? Oh my God, that's the my robot. Tick, 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 tick. Shh, shh, shh. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, because running out of battery. If we don't have battery, they will be moving, and then they are just running away. And our garden, yeah. And you see that? You see that? Oh my God, the robot is here. Oh yeah. See anything from Ram? How are you? Oh, pink. Oh, you see the pink tongue of the robot. Smile. Pink. Oh my God, there's a pink. Oh yeah. Oh come on, I'm here. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope that you find it very happy that we are selling a robotic for those who don't. I want to buy your Angry Bird. The buyer are just here. Did you see that? That the buyer. Yeah, I'm just here. Just PM me for delivery. This is what we call the robotic dog. Do you see this robotic dog? This robotic dog is very useful in our house, because this dog is barking without people around. It's barking. So this is abnormality of robot. Oh my God, that's the dog. That's the dog, I tell you. Yes. Oh my God, there's a lot of tricycle moving right now. But this dog is very important in your house, so that no more theft going inside your house. Say hello.
Hello.
That is my robotic. What's your name?
My name is Theo.
Estelle. Oh yes, because she's a Korean. Yeah. What is your name again?
Theo.
Theo? Theo. The name is Theo. Are you sure your name is Theo?
Tessa.
Huh?
Tessa.
Tessa. Yeah, that's Tessa. So Tessa is very cute.
Hello.
The other one is?
Hello.
What is your name?
Hello.
Ayao? Oh, don't touch the face.
Manaw.
Say hi. Hello. Yeah, that's true. That is robot. All of them are robot, and you think that all of them are through you children. It's not true, because all robot. Okay, all robot. I tell you, this dog is robot also. Okay, thank you for watching, everyone. I hope that you're okay. I'm okay too. I don't have any problem. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. This dog is robotic, and I'm telling you that I have this robotic children. So this is Tessa. Say hello, Tessa, for all of you watching right now. Oh my God, Kenny is saying Alice anyhow. Oh my God, oh that's Tessa. That's my Lovey-Dovey figurine. That's my figurine. Yeah, that's not a human being, I tell you. Thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you, Badilia. Thank you very much, Alice, and thank you so much, my old friends watching in our video right now. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm going now because the dog is already angry. Yeah. Say share it to your friends and to your loved ones, because we're here to tell you that is that robotic? No, to dance a robotic dance. Yeah, Ronnie, I'm telling you, they can dance, robotic dance. Did you see that? There, that's a father robot. That's children robot. All robotic. All robotic. I'm telling you, that's robotic. So, hello? Yeah. Oh, you see that? Pink, That's a robot. They're all robot. Yeah. Say hi. Oh my God.
Hi.
Hi. That's a robot. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Goodbye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye, Sha. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. They are bye bye right now. They sold out. Sold out. Thank you for watching. It's sold out.